What's up, mga zombie? Yeah! So, alas 8 na naman ang gabi at meron tayong gagawin ngayon. At mag-overhaul tayo ng isa sa mga machinery na hawak ng isang port engineer. Walang iba kundi ang Purifier! Yeah! So, umpisahan natin siya para maaga tayo matapos. Kaya, tara! Samahan nyo ako. We're here! So, medyo mainit dito sa engine room sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, no? Kasi, maraming machinery sa tumatakbo dito. And, like for extent, sirahin natin itong isang to. Tara! Baka sirahin pa ko ng iba.
We have 4 purifiers on board. The fuel oil purifier number 1, fuel oil purifier number 2, main engine lube oil purifier, and auxiliary engine lube oil purifier. All of these are handled by 4th engineer. Warning! Before disassembling, make sure that the purifier is completely stopped. Shut off power to the starter to ensure that the purifier will not start unexpectedly. These are the tools that we need: bowl nut handle, this nut handle, light liquid chamber handle, a hammer, jack for lifting the bowl hood, this clamp plate, jack for lifting the distributor, open and close spanners, cap nut spanner, hook spanner, jack for pulling out pilot valve, flat screwdriver, different sizes of Allen keys, chain block for lifting the bowl, and wiping rags. Now, let's start. First, secure all the valves: operating water valve, fuel inlet and outlet valves, and sludge discharge valve. Disconnect attachments. Disconnect dirty oil inlet pipe. Remove inlet pipe orifice. Disconnect purified oil outlet pipe. Disconnect water and sludge pipe. Disconnect sealing water inlet tube. Remove the cover nut. Remove hexagonal nut that retains the inlet pipe. Loosen the socket set screw. Loosen the Allen bolts that fasten to the sludge cover. Then lift the sludge cover. This completes this assembly of the sludge cover. This is what we will see days after of operation of the fuel oil purifier. Let's proceed. Remove the disc nut using the disc nut handle. Remove the heavy liquid chamber. Remove the impeller tube. Remove the gravity disc along with the packing. Using the light liquid chamber handle, remove the light liquid chamber. Remove the inlet pipe along with the impeller 1. Insert the cap nut spanner in the bowl. Set the spanner on the cap nut and thread the threaded rod of the spanner into the threaded hole at the head of the cap nut. Turn the handle of the spanner and now draw it up. Mount the jack by threading it into the threaded portion of the distributor. Turn down the jack until the bowl is slightly raised. Now the bowl is ready to be lifted. Mount the shackle to the handle of the jack and slowly draw up the bowl in the vertical direction by use of the chain block. Take note that the ball might be withdrawn with the ball bush attached. Put the lifted ball on the dismantling stand. Remove the jack threaded into the distributor. Screw the bolt of the disc clamp plate completely by hand in the distributor. Tighten the nut until the rib is same to the top disc. This procedure is important to remove the springing effect of the disc mounted inside the bowl. Mount the bowl nut handle on the bowl nut. Rotate it by striking with hammer to remove the bowl nut. Remove the bowl nut. Loosen the nut to remove the disc clamp plate. Place the jack for lifting the ball hood. Then fix it with the disc nut. Now turn the push bolt to raise the bowl hood. And then lift the bowl hood. Remove the top disc. Mount the jack again in the threaded portion of the distributor. The disc and upper disc will be pulled out in the condition that they were mounted in the distributor. Fix the jack on the main cylinder with the 4 bolts. Tighten the 4 bolts evenly. Turn down the jack with the push bolt and handle to remove the main cylinder. out the pilot valve using the pilot valve jack. Withdraw the other one with the same procedure. This completes this assembly of the purifier valve.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Hey! So, inaabot tayo ng 2 oras. Kasi mag-isa lang akong trabaho doon. Inaabot tayo ng 2 hours. So, siya! Tama ng tama ng pagpapanggap! Bukas naman! 11:30 na ng gabi. So, 30 minutes to go and mag-out na tayo. Tinapos mo yung video? Yeah! Thank you, zombies! You're the beast! It's a wrap! Ciao!
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
So, nakapag-take rounds na tayo and guess what? Meron tayong major overhauling. Major overhauling.